Hey guys, what's up? RJ here, and I'm back with special unboxing video. Maybe you've read the title and you got to know about it. Let me show you. So the traffic secrets have come up, and if you don't know about what traffic secrets is, it's the third book by Russell Brunson, and he written the other two books called .com Secrets and Expert Secrets. It's also got updated. Russell have added so many words into .com Secrets book and the Expert Secrets book, and they also have a trilogy box set which I have ordered. I will get by next week. I will going to be unboxing it as well. And this book is all about traffic, like how you can simply generate traffic on your funnel or whatever it will be, because traffic is like one of the most important thing when it comes to business, whether it's online or offline. And traffic is one of the most important fundamentals. If you want to make sales, if you have everything is in place, you need to have traffic so that you can simply convert them and get more sales. So that's about the traffic book secrets book is okay. I've also put it up the link in the description down below. It's completely free. You just need to handle shipping and handling. That's it. So yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so the first thing that is, there's a pamphlet by funnel scripts, like how you can simply create a copies and how to generate the copies for your ad, for your copy, for your sales page, anything that you think about it. For your emails, you can simply use funnel scripts as well. Like anything that is being mentioned in these pamphlets, I will put it up in the comment section or in the description down below, so you will have a look on it. And other than this, a test drive for ClickFunnels, and www.iloveclickfunnels.com, a trial for 14 free days, and these type of stuff. Let's see what other things I have got in. There's a special message by Russell Brunson. If you see over here, if you type in the number, Russell Brunson will have a special message for you. So this is about marketing secrets. He have a new podcast as well. He have an application where he have the podcast and everything. And then how would you like to hold you by the hand and start launch your first or next funnel? One funnel away challenge, one of the best investment I've made so far in my life, and like it costs $100 and it's literally worth it. And other thing, the trilogy box set that I talked about, it have .com secrets, the updated version, traffic secrets, the updated, not the updated version, the new version, the expert secrets, the updated version, and then unlock the secrets. And unlock the secrets is only available in the trilogy box set. It's like a workbook for implementing all of these three books. And all of these are hardbound with the special box. As I told you, once I get it, I will do the unboxing video of it as well. And other than this, I have provided the different links, which you can simply use in your business, like how you can simply start using ClickFunnels and how you can simply leverage one funnel away challenge in your business and funnel scripts and everything. So yeah, that's the case of this stuff. And a quick starter guide, like we talked about what .com secret is all about. .com secret is all about how you can simply create a business using funnels, and then expert secret is all about how you can simply create an audience or how you can simply sell, and then it's all about traffic secrets, how you can simply get more traffic, get more people into your funnel, selling and then traffic. So these what are the things or instruction which talked about. And then the unlock the secrets, we talked about how to implement all of these things as a part of a workbook. So that's the case. And then the final thing, the expert traffic secrets book. It's crazy, and it's hardbound. And the biggest problem most entrepreneurs have is they have amazing product or services, but they don't have the customers, or they don't have the idea even they are existing or not. So it's all about like traffic. So it's an insane book. I haven't read that, but I've saw a ton of reviews. Many things are into it. Find your dream customer, who is your dream customer, where they are at. The concept of dream 100, one of the best concept you can simply ever heard about. How to fill your funnel, how to have a growth hacking stuff. It's crazy. It is the one of the biggest thing that people have, and because person out there or any individual out there have everything in place. They have a funnel, they have a system. If we talk about especially for affiliate marketing, they have a product, they have funnel set up. The only problem that they come up is that they don't have the idea where their dream customer are, how to attract those customers. So this is the missing gap of the people who don't have the identification of their dream customer. And it is like one of the best book you can simply have. I haven't read it. I am definitely going to be reading it out. It's going to be crazy. And I've also put it up the link, as I said, in the description down below. You can simply have it, and you will get tons of bonuses as well, which will help you out to generate more and more traffic and also implementing this stuff as well. So it's crazy. And don't forget to check out Traffic Secrets. And other than this, guys, I will see you guys for the next one for the Trilogy box set unboxing.